Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. If you want to install Windows 11 25s2 in your laptop or desktop easily without losing your data, so this video is for you. This is a small video, so watch the video till the end and I will give you the solution. So first of all, click on Start menu, open Settings, and once open, go to Windows Update, left hand side last option, and then check for update. So it will check all the pending updates and it will show you, and if it is there any pending update, it will show you have to download all those pending updates. So as you can see, it is downloading all the updates except 25s2. So it's okay, you can download all this pending update if it is showing like this in your case also. So also all this done, then we'll move to next step. So if you have any doubt, comment below, we will reply to all the comments. And once done, you have to restart, and if it is not showing even after restart, you have to wait some time, maybe a few days or some time. After 2-3 restart, it will reflect over here. You have to check again and again for the Windows update. So after 2-3 restart, now it is reflecting for me and it is already installed, and it is asking for a restart. So I'm restarting it, and after that I will show you the status. So now it is successfully installed, and now I'm checking whether it is upgraded or not. So if I go to system and then about section in settings, so you will see the OS is upgraded. Or if you want to check it, you can go to run and type a command winver. With that also you can check. Now we are moving to the next step. Here we will download the operating system manually and installation will be manually. So you have to go to Google and search Windows 11 download. Open the first URL. Over here we have three options. You can download the SOE, you can create a bootable pen drive, or you can download an installer. With that you can install the latest OS 25s2. With this you can easily upgrade the operating system. If you have any doubt, comment below, or if you need a detailed video on these three options, so comment, we will upload one more video for you. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.